Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to the Troublemaker TV. Today we come here for the festival in Ugo Town. So we will check it out what other, and we will see there's a bunch of the food stands as well. So let's check this out. And here's a special guest from the Poland, and we will introduce some bunch of the stuff. There's many attractions as well. So let's enjoy.
Shema, let's do it.
Let's do it. So here's today the very famous festival here, and there's 3-on-3 right now, and the basketball stuff. So we will check it out. They're going to something interesting thing. So let's go. Okay, so there is a 3-on-3. You see? Yeah, there's a 3-on-3 right now. The basketball, like the small champions. So let's see. So I think when they get to win something, they get some special, like a prize or something. Yes. Here is now the famous the anime culture in Japan. They the Ugo welcome the how do you say seiyu?
Seiyu, voice actors.
Voice actors. We welcome the voice actors, and they have something lecture, or they talk about their history or something interesting stuff.
Are they just voice actor from Akita or all Japan?
Well, I think all over Japan. This is a very famous one. So now they have special dancing right now here. We call yosakoi. So let's check this out a little bit.
You know this is what everyone knows, right? I can do this.
So now we are here the Kingo Square area, which is only one time, only 100 yen.
That's cheap.
Yes, it is cheap.
Yeah, right.
So you will be your first time to do the Kingo Square. So what is your goal?
Maybe like 4? 4 seems good. Let's
okay.
challenge 4.
Alright, so it's very cheap. So anyway, we will try it and we will find out.
Alright,
Let's start it. Now we will try the Kingo Square right now, and we will how does it work. Let's start it.
Alright. Let's start. Just go?
Yeah, the very important thing that the goldfish have to be going this way.
There's many.
Yes, you fucking got it.
Fucking pro. One more.
Whoa, you a pro.
I'm also 24 years old. It's unfair.
The very important thing that the goldfish have to get away from the very edge of that. Okay, so we got the goldfish right now. He got the 2.
I only got 2.
I got the 4.
Sure, good
That's
job.
awesome.
That's
I did.
very good.
So
Nice,
how do you feel?
Yeah, it was more difficult than I thought. At first it was like, oh, I got 2 so quick.
Right.
But then it's like,
Easy to break.
it's so easy to break. It just started in the water.
But I'm kind of pretty professional to get the 4 of them.
First time, not bad.
Alright, so now let's go home. Alright, so now we're gonna get the soft cream right now
Yeah, let's do it.
after Kingo School.
Treat.
Hello!
Hello. Oh, 今日休み. Today's my vacation. No English.